So I heard that you want to make a YouTube video. I'm going to assume that because you were watching your favorite YouTuber, you wanted to make a Minecraft YouTube video. And I will try to show you all of the basics. 3, 2, 1, go. Okay, so to show you that I am starting from complete scratch, I said it again. To show you that I'm starting from complete scratch, I'm going to delete OBS Studio. So if we go down here, delete, turns out that you need OBS Studio to record OBS Studio. And by deleting OBS Studio, you're no longer recording. 1 second. All recording issues aside, welcome to the OBS Studio website. Link will be in the description. If not, obsproject.com. I may forget. Anyway, first step will be click Windows. If you're using Mac, then click Mac. Linux, click Linux. It seems pretty self-explanatory. After clicking Windows, you will then get your download prompt. You can choose where you want to download it. Hit download, installer. This should install right down here. If you don't get to choose where you install it, check in your downloads file. Once this finishes, you'll then click open and open when done. That way, after it finishes downloading, it will open. Like this. If any prompt comes up, click yes to the prompt. Welcome to OBS Studio. Alright, one random recorder downloaded onto my computer to then record me setting up OBS. Later, click install and close Minecraft. Okay, one Minecraft folder closed, and now you can see that it is finishing its download. I'll get back to you once this is done downloading. Great, completed setting up OBS. Now click launch to open OBS and finish. After clicking finish, it should launch OBS, just like it said. Here we go, we have OBS, we have a new scene, we have no sources. This is perfect. Now, the first thing you're going to want to do once this is here is click Audio Output Capture. This will then select your audio output. Here you will say your desktop audio. This will be all of your audio, main desktop audio. Sorry, I already have this configured. So main desktop audio. You'll then select your audio output, which you use for your speakers. In order to find this output, you go down here to the speaker thing. That is your default output. That's what's right now going to your headphones. Now, click OK, and here we go. It's right here. You can go here, click Advanced Audio Properties, and under the desktop main audio, which you just made, ignore all of these. You'll then select only track number 1 and 2. That way, it only records the audio 1 and 2. Hit close, and now hit plus again. You then go to audio capture, and you will say game capture, or you can just call this Minecraft. I'm going to call it game capture. Really, the names don't matter. Click here, and then click your digital output. Now, for me, I have a Realtek digital output. For other computers, this may look different. Just go to another audio. You can even plug in like a random pair of headphones. You just need to make another output. Click that and click OK. Here, you're going to click Advanced Audio Properties, and under your game capture, you will select 1 and 3. This will be your Minecraft output. This will be where all of your Minecraft audio goes. Now, after you do that, click Monitor and Output. Monitor and Output will then output it to your main desktop audio. That way you can actually hear your own Minecraft audio. Hit close and then hit plus again. You then click Audio Input Capture. So this would just be your microphone, if I can actually spell. Click OK and then select the microphone that you want to use. You can then see here that it is functioning correctly while using your microphone. After you do that, click Done, hit Add again, and then click Game Capture. You can call this Minecraft, or you can call this the hotkey. Normally I like doing the hotkey, so I'm going to say Control-Alt-C for Control-Alt-Capture. This way I know what it is whenever I look down here. Click here, and then click Capture Foreground Window with Hotkey. Hit OK, and then you can drag this to be on top. Something just happened. I accidentally popped this out. Great. Okay, so this little button right here will pop it out. I don't normally use this. You can drag it around. I'd recommend just leaving it right here. It makes life way easier. So now go to Settings and go to Hotkeys. So scroll all the way down to Control-Alt-C, the thing that you just named, whatever this is called. Capture Foreground Display. Click here and enter in your hotkey. Click Apply. Now go to Output. After going to Output, make sure that this is selected on Advanced. go to recording and look at your audio tracks. You have one going to main. This is where everything is going. You have your desktop audio going to audio number 2. This is for like if you join a Discord call, this is where that will go. Number 3 is where you put your Minecraft audio. That will be where your Minecraft audio goes, so you want to record that as well. And then number 4 is where your microphone is going. This way they're all separated when you go into your editor. Now click Browse and go and select the file that you want to record to. Hit OK, hit Apply if that is available, and then make sure, I don't remember if I did, your microphone, make sure that this only has number 4 selected. You can also change all of these, of course, so deselect 6 as well. And there you go, you have your audio output right there. Great, now that you have that done, you will then proceed to launch your Minecraft. This can be really easy, it's as easy as clicking play and waiting for that to finish. While that is going, go down here to your microphone, right click it, and click Open Sound Settings. This will then proceed to open up settings. Once setting finishes loading, you will scroll all the way down to App, Volume, and Device Preferences. Click that, that will open up your mixer. Now what this will do is this will bring you down to this page. You need this page for when Minecraft finally finishes up loading. As you can see here, it is taking a little bit because I'm doing multiple things at once on my computer. You will find it here once it pops up. If it does not pop up because Minecraft is still launching, there you go. You will then go back and just come back here. This will be on default. Select default and make sure you're under the audio output tab and go down to your digital output, which you selected for your game capture audio. Click that and then hit done. If there is no done button, which there does not appear to be, then click X. This will look different on a Mac or a Linux, which I have no experience on. Now go here and go to whichever world you want. You just want to get into a Minecraft game. Now you will see Control-Alt-C to select your captured window. So Control-Alt-C to get in. This should eventually launch over here. So make sure that you have this selected. Do the hotkey. And yeah, there we go. So make this full screen. I have another monitor. I have it full screen over there just so that I can show you what I'm doing. And then drag this to be as big as you want. You can see that you will have to cut out a little bit. The only way you get around this is if you hit F11 on Minecraft, it will make it full screen. But whenever you select off of it, you will see down here that it froze. So the next part will be on Minecraft. Hold down F3 and hit T. This will reload all of your textures, and by doing that, it will refresh the audio that is being outputted to. This will make it output to your game capture, which is your digital output. So you can see, if I start making sounds, it is coming to audio output and your main audio so that you can hear it. So I turn down main audio and make it so that you're recording both of these. In order to only record one or two of these, like let's say you want to listen to music but you don't want it to be recorded, which I've done, you would just mute it. It's that easy. Another option is to pull this all the way down. Great. Okay. Now you may notice that Minecraft gets a little buggy. So while I'm recording, it will start to jitter around like that. The jittering will be fine in the preview, but if the recording looks buggy, you'll go to Settings, Output, and Record, and make sure that you have a selected FPS. Aha, I was wrong. It wasn't output. You go down to Video, and then common FPS value. This can be great if you have it super high. I normally keep it at 60, but you can change this to something much higher. Now, the reason why you want to say 60 is because, first off, you don't need to record more than 60 because YouTube depression won't let it go much more. Another thing is if it matches your Minecraft audio, Minecraft output. For instance, I go into Minecraft, Escape. Here, let me show you what I'm doing here. Escape, Options, Video Settings, and you change this to 60. If they both match, you're not recording more and it puts less stress onto your computer. If you notice this is still lagging, you can go to Video and change this down to, like, let's say 50 or 30, and then go here and make that match. So that way it starts recording on the same type of audio. So hit Apply, hit OK, and then you should be completely set to start recording. Everything should be working correctly. And another thing before you start is go here, Settings, Hotkeys, and start and stop recording. I have this Control-Alt-P because it doesn't seem to interfere with anything else. Pause recording, I don't normally use this. You can if you want. Just go to start and stop recording. Make that Control-Alt-P or anything that you want. You'll then go into Minecraft, and you will click Control Alt P, and you can see it has started recording. So hello, 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 recording, yay, first YouTube video, Control Alt P, done. Now, the next step will be editing. This may be a part 2. Tell me if you want to see how to edit, what editor to use, and how to get into that. I hope this is a fast enough tutorial for you. It looks like I've only really made it up to 10 minutes, which should be great.